What's up guys, winter season is here and barbecue is in, so I thought to present you a simple and easy to make chicken seekh kebab on tawa. Always make sure to clean the chicken and keep it in a strainer for 30 minutes. Let all the water drain out from chicken. You need small bunch of coriander leaves and 6 green chilies, but adjust the spice accordingly, and 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, or you can use garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Instead of ginger paste you can use crushed ginger, and 3 medium sized onion roughly chopped, and 1 kg of boneless chicken. If your food processor is big, then add all together and blend it into a paste. The food processor I have is small, so I'm adding onion, green chili, coriander and ginger garlic and chop into a fine pieces. With remaining onion, I'm adding boneless chicken and blend it to a fine paste. Check the texture of a chicken. The chicken is blended into a fine paste. This is very important step, otherwise you can't make the seekh kebab. And mix everything well. Now add all the spice powder. Here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee, but instead of ghee you can add vanaspati ghee or dalda, and add salt to taste. And mix everything properly. See the texture. It is very soft and all the masala has been mixed properly. Now it's time to make seekh kebab. Here I'm using the straw to make seekh kebab. Instead you can use the metal skewers. If you feel that your seekh kebab mixture is not binding well and it's falling apart, the trick is to blend it in a blender till it becomes soft paste. Now take a tawa or a pan, add little oil and add the seekh kebab. Keep the flame in medium high. Flip it and cook both the sides. Keep it straight and cook the side of the kebab as shown in this video. I cook South Indian and North Indian dishes and baking. If you are interested, please check my channel. Have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.